guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a quick review for the Karity Matte 21 Shadow Palette, and then I'm also doing a little review on these brow pencils. So the first thing I just want to do is show you guys the palette because it's so beautiful. They sent this to me in the mail in a little like PR package. So I told you guys I like to get up like my PR videos, so this will just be part of that little series. So here is the 21 Shadow Palette. This is the matte version. So we have, oh, and they have names, okay? You guys know how I feel about these palettes having names for their shadows. It's easier to tell you guys what color I'm using that way. Those are all the colors. So pretty. I kind of just put my nail in that gray color. So yeah, so I use them on my face, so I'm not going to swatch them so you can kind of see how pigmented they are as I'm using them. I did have to go over some of these colors a little bit more than I did some of the others. The pink color, which is Lumbia, was very pigmented, very bright. I didn't have to go over that. And so was like the purple, the Alexi color, the color Ego I used the color Vegas, and the color Tweety. So those are the colors that I used in this palette. For it to be a color palette, it's not bad. So I like it. The price point is $29. So if you guys are looking for something with a little bit of color in it and you want to try some fun looks, you could definitely check out Karity. So the next products I want to talk about are these brow pencils. I did use this today in my tutorial and I freaking love it. So I do love their brow pencils. What I love about this, and I kind of discovered this, you'll see throughout the video, I didn't mean to discover it, I didn't even pay it any mind, but it's like it does three different things. So this color is dark chocolate. This is what I use on my brows. They did send me pretty much all of their colors, I think. I got Totally Nude here. Oh no, so I'm sorry, Totally Taupe. Then we have Blonde Bombshell. This one was the dark chocolate one. And then this one is Hot Cocoa. So depending on your brow color or your hair color at the moment, that's probably how you're going to decide which one of these pencils you use. Obviously I'm using dark chocolate, so I'm going to show you guys how dark chocolate works. You kind of saw me fill in my brows with it and sharpen them up a little. So it comes with a little brush here, so you can just brush your brows and like even them out, which is essential because I always do that before I apply my, you know, brow pencils. And then it opens up like this, right? So what I like about this is that when you twist it, it's like a little triangle. I don't know how well y'all can see that because, yeah, so it's like a triangle. That's what I thought was really cool about it. I don't want to twist it too much because I don't want it to fall over or anything. But yeah, I think that's really cool because it made it easier for me to clean up my brows with it because it's already at an angle. So I thought that was really dope, you guys. I like that. So I'm definitely going to be using this. I'll probably order some now because I see how they work. But this little surprise that I got was this little brush, like, well, it's like a little spongy brush thing. I use this. Some brow pencils do come with this, but this was a surprise because I didn't realize it was there. So it made it so much easier when I needed to go in and smooth out these inner corners of my brows to kind of get them to blend a little better. You can blend out the little, you know, the streak or whatever, the writing that you put on your brow. So I thought that was really cool and really helpful. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick a swatch of this because it transfers good when you're like coloring in your brow. See that? So it's like a nice chocolate brown color. I like to use darker colors when my hair is dark. When my hair is lighter, I use a lighter brown pencil. So I would probably go in with this one. I haven't opened it yet, but this Hot Cocoa one, I haven't used it, so we'll see real quick how it swatches. But I would probably go in with this just if I had like a lighter hair color. The other ones I'm not going to show you because they're probably not going to show up really well on me because they're so light. So you get the idea though. So yeah, let's color this one in. So yeah, this one's more of a brown color. I have to kind of break the pencil in. It's not super pigmented. It is once you start coloring with it, but There we go. See how brown that is? So that is the color I would use if my hair was just a tad bit lighter. I like to switch it up sometimes, so I felt like I didn't really need this brown color right now because I'm using a darker color for my brows. But if my hair was lighter, I would definitely use this light brown color. So thank you so much to Karity for sending me this stuff. I will make sure I take a couple pictures for you guys and post them on the gram. I'm sure you guys want to see some pictures. But yeah, so far I like what I've seen. I've had this stuff for a while, guys, but I've been running around. Things have been a little crazy for me, so I have not had time. I apologize to get up a review on any of these products, but I'm glad that I did because I do like them. I'm definitely going to keep using this brow pencil because it's amazing, and I'm definitely going to use this palette when I want to create a little bit of color. So that's basically it, you guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you're wondering what I'm wearing, I do have up a Rebdolls plus size fashion haul for you guys so you can see this dress. I have not worn it completely yet. I just wore it for the video, but I'm thinking about wearing it in Miami. But I showed you guys what it looked like on the model in case you guys are wondering, because I'm sure y'all be like, what are you wearing? I'm wearing Rebdolls, guys. So I will link that video underneath this one so you guys can see it. It's my most recent video when it comes to these kinds of videos. I also have up 2 vlogs from Atlanta. If you guys don't know, I told you guys before that my boyfriend recently joined the cast of Wild 'N Out. So I went to Atlanta to support him, and if he does the next season, I will be out there again. I'm thinking about doing a meetup because a couple of you guys hit me up when I was out there, and you guys said you wanted to meet up, and maybe we could do like a little lunch date or something. So I definitely can't wait to see you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate you all so much. I love you, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.